Check this out. This bird totally just flew into the window and fucked himself up. He is straight retarded bird right now. Oh, you dipshit, man. You are such a dumbass right now. Come here. You're good, dude. You're good. You're alright. You're okay. You are okay right now, my friend. Right now, we officially have a wild bird in my shirt. We're about to go let it back into the freedom after he's knocked himself straight retarded and laid on his back for a good 15 minutes. Here we go. Into the backyard we go. And put him onto the ground. Open up the shirt again. What's up, dude? Get on out the shirt. Get up, do something, man. You can move. Why don't you get up, man? Get up. Crazy fucker. Get up here. Let me turn you over, man. Don't you dare fucking snip at me, man. I'm gonna be pissed. Turn on over, man. You're good right there. You're fucking crazy, dude. No, that's definitely a full-size bird, but he will not jump. He will not stand up. Oh, he ran into the window for sure. There you go, man. Get to moving. No, he won't quit. It's like he can't get up in the air or nothing. I think if we put him up in the tree, he'd probably die. It's like he can't get off. He might have broke something. It's kind of hobbling off.